Hey there, friends. In this video, I'm going to be showing you what to do if YouTube keeps signing your account out. So this is a really simple problem to fix, and there are a few ways that this problem is caused, and there are a few ways you can fix it. So the first is to make sure that you're not running YouTube or have YouTube open on a guest profile or in incognito mode. So sometimes you might be using Google Chrome, for example, in private or incognito mode. And I'll show you what this looks like. So I'm just going to Control Shift N on my keyboard, and this should open up incognito mode. So anytime you log into YouTube while it's in incognito, the moment you close this window, it's going to automatically sign you out. So I'm going to sign in here, type in my email, quickly sign in just to demonstrate. And as you can see, I've signed in. But the moment I close this window and open up incognito mode again and type it in, I'm signed out once again. So this also applies if you're using a guest profile. And this is something that applies to Google Chrome and maybe a few other web browsers. If you look above your account icon at the top right, you're going to see a smaller one. And this is the profile that your web browser is using. So as you can see, there's a guest profile in Google Chrome, and this works very similarly to incognito mode. So anytime you sign into YouTube using a guest profile on your web browser, as you can see, it says guest right here. The moment I close this, it's going to wipe out all the data and it's going to act as if I was never signed in. So that's one way that it could be causing issues if YouTube keeps signing you out. Another reason why it might be signing you out is because of incompatible web browser versions. So just make sure that you're updated and are using the most recent version of your web browser. Lastly, one thing you can check is to just go over your browser settings here. You can see I have my search settings set up here, or I have my settings window open here, and you can access this by clicking on the button at the top right of your screen and then clicking on settings. So when you open up your settings window, one of the first things that you should be able to see is sync and Google services. If you don't see this, you can always type it into the search bar at the top. Go ahead and click on that, scroll down a little, and make sure that Allow Chrome sign in is set to on. So this usually fixes some of the issues as well when it comes to syncing your accounts. And what this does is it will let you sign into Chrome with a personal profile, and it's going to sync your accounts all the time so that whenever you open up a website, you should still be using that same account that you've used. So if this is off, you can go ahead and turn it on. So that's pretty much it for this video. Really quick and really easy. I really hope I was able to resolve your issues. And if I was, be sure to leave a like and maybe subscribe. So again, as always, I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And thank you for watching.